Welcome to Follower, your ultimate solution for social media management and content creation. In this video, we'll explore what Follower is, how it can benefit you, and why it's a game changer for social media marketers. So, let's dive right in. Follower is an innovative social media management platform powered by artificial intelligence, designed to simplify and streamline your social media management process. It combines cutting-edge technology with intuitive features to help you elevate your online presence. Why do you need Follower? With Follower, you can wave goodbye to manual content creation, scheduling, and analytics. It's your all-in-one solution to boost engagement, save time, and increase your reach across multiple platforms. Let's take a closer look at some standout features and benefits of Follower. Say goodbye to writer's block. Follower's AI-powered content creation tools generate compelling, tailored posts for your target audience, keeping them engaged and interested. With features like Ask AI to Write, Create from News, and Create from Brainstorm, you can effortlessly create high-quality content with just a few clicks. Social media scheduling. Automate your social media posts across various platforms with Follower's advanced scheduling capabilities. Save time, ensure consistent content delivery, and focus on other aspects of your business. Connect your accounts with Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Medium, Pinterest, and Twitter to streamline your posting process. Manage your social media messages and comments effectively with Follower's integrated social hub. Stay on top of DMs and comments from all your accounts in one place. Collaborate with your team, assign conversations, and use AI-powered suggestions to respond promptly to your audience. Ready to unlock your social media potential? Getting started with Follower is quick and easy. Simply sign up for an account, connect your social media channels, and start leveraging the power of AI-driven social media management. With Follower, you have the tools and technology to supercharge your social media presence. Say hello to more engagement, more followers, and more growth. Join the Follower community today and take your social media strategy to new heights.